Alright, kita main Hexis Force lagi. Di video terakhir kita udah ngeliat si Ajul ya. Ajul. Kita masuk nih kayaknya guys. Ke sini. Ke tower ini. Ada apa di dalam sini? Gue udah set kan udah. Wah, langsung ribut kah? Oh enggak sih, kayaknya jalan dulu. Force Stone, oke. Merah is done. Gue discretion dihidupin. Tongkatnya kasih gua dong gitu. Siapa tuh? Telur. Telur anjir. Enggak guys, rambut. Oh, sayap. Wih, timbangan tuh. Oh shit, 3 gitu bro. Norvia. Top juga gue liat-liat. Power of Judgment. Argent, Pillar of the Crimson Lotus. Ilnada, Pillar of the Cerulean Flames. Stand before me and be judged. Dijudge. Hai dijudge yo. No, you are all here. It is time I will now inquire the will of the inherited force resting inside of you. Raise your Ragnarok, the wisdom of the gods who cast judgment upon birth. Terus udah gitu doang, gaya-gaya dulu, gaya-gaya. Ya sama aja deh, ntar ceritanya berhubung sini kalau kita pakai Levan juga. Timbang itu siapa yang berat. Weh, beratan gua lah. Beratan kebaikan lah. I can let you do that, Azul voice. Anjing. Spektatornya. Dihidupin nih. Iya, dia gaya dihidupin anjing. What's on Birch? Cabut. Forbidden Art of Revival. Gila semuanya. No matter what you're conspiring, the judgment has already been passed. Now even I can change the final judgment. There is nothing going back now. Hehe, don't assume that I'm as weak as you are. Even so, it's dia mau menjadi dewa guys. You could possibly. Wah ini dilawan cok. Diberatin ya. Jadi berat destruction ya. Anjir. Anjir. Dihidupin Del Gaya. Oh shit. Sampai ya ke Palvina ya. Lawanlah Levan. Lo naik kayak ketimbangan. Wah anjir serem juga ya. Kenapa dewa kehancuran serem guys? Ya kalau nggak serem mah bukan dewa kehancuran ya. Bangun doi bos. Kayak Arceus gue liat. Iya ya. Apa kayak Necrozma yang warna kuning itu guys? Del Gaya hidup coy. Lawan lah, gila kita melawan dewa nih. Kalau misalkan kita ngelawan dia. Loh untungnya apa gitu si Ajil ya. Begini anjing. Ribet. Let's go. Itu dia yang disebut tidak takut bro. Let's go kita lawan. Uj. Dead Pilar. Anjing. Sumpah ya lu ngilang-ngilang aja Palvina. Cecilia maksud gue. Palvina lu heal ya. Kita pakai ini dulu. Di situ kita sedot-sedot guys. Gak sakit ya. Lu di blessing defend power. Newport ngerti gak sih lo? Heroic shield buat lu diri lu dulu. Calm bro. Lu power break dulu ya. TR deck race. Sakit. Lu kayak gak sakit ya guys. Ntar dulu. Gak sakit juga ternyata. Lu mau attack gak? Attack kali bos. Cicil aja lah ya. Lu biasa render aja. Let's go kita kalahkan dewa kehancuran. Ibaratnya kita ngecil satu dewa berarti apa ya namanya? Menghancurkan keseimbangan gak sih? Oke ini dah ya. Karma. Ini di decrease cok. Heal siapa guys? Gak usah di heal dulu lah. Lu nyerang aja dulu. Darahnya berapa nih masalahnya? Dia powernya udah gue kurangin, guardnya gue kurangin dulu. Oke. Kan nambah dikit gak apa-apa. Let's go. Gak ada rasanya, cok. Speed juga lah, boleh lah. Kayak gak sakit deh guys. Lu pakai inilah, air render lah. Set, gak mati-mati. Holy hell, rejection into X core. Anjir, sakit dong. Bagus, pas banget turnnya dia ya. Heal, Angel Tears. Let's go. Bentar, lu kita kasih Ragna Sakar dulu. Their assault. Lu heroic shield. Sih kocak. Sedot lagi gak sih Ragna Sakar? Oke. Their assault. Release force. Cicil dulu aja. Ke atas ya? Udah cukup guys. Oke, aman. Kasih dia air render. Tuh ini ke atas tuh. Daerah assault. Mati apa marah nih? Cupu banget loh. Dewa kehancuran kalah manusia coy. Gerah kata dia. Berubah bentuk nih. Kalah lagi. Ya elah segitunya bro. Kagak ada sekarat nih gua. Udah terlalu OP kali gua. Ayo ribut. Mati dia. Oh hidup lagi nih. Segala gaya ngorbanin nyawa dia. Anjir sama dia masuk gabungan nih. Jadi apa aja? Deh serem juga. Anjing gabungan semua dewa kehancuran, dewa pembangunan, terus Ajul sama bayangannya. Kontrak bayangan. Ini akan sulit kah guys? Hai. Iya senjatanya kayak gak digabung-gabungin itu loh. Iya loh, senjata-senjata kita anjir. Gila, ngeri banget ya orang rakus ya. Anjir, dewa di manusia di atas dewa anjir. What's come back? What seasons come back, kayak lagu gitu anjir. Na 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 na. Are you a stupid moron? Your IQ is like 1900. Bukan pinter ya guys. I will let you escape this. Gila, dia berani ya sekarang ya. Si Galiza siapa? Oh dia ya, Galiza ya. Kira sih saya si anjing. Oke, seperti rencana tadi aja ya. Anjay. Curious. Not bad. Power break. Seperti biasa, heroic shield dulu buat diri lu. Let's go. Lu mau nembak nggak, Cok? Satisfying banget soalnya. God break dah. Wih, senjata gua tuh. Senjata gua ini. Senjata gua, Cok. Pedang batu gua tuh. 5.000 weh. It's okay. No problemo, you know. Cicil dulu aja. Kok ke atas sih? Semakin sakit katanya kamu. Mampus 2.000. Wow, sakit. Pukulan sakit gua nih nambah. Let's go. Tapi lu butuh heal sih bro, pada. Enggak, lu doang. Render lah. Mati-mati nih orang. Ini nyerangnya ke atas ya. Waduh, ini jurus kah? Wih, 1000 cok. Wah, please jangan mati ya. Nah, ini sakit nih guys katanya nih. Darah assault. Kok darah gue kan main kecil tuh. You have my gratitude. Ntar gue mau nyedot. Wah, listrik deh. Lagi. Wah, di serangan area, cok. Bahaya ini.
You have my gratitude. Try this on for size.
Itu dari berapa ya? Nyedot lagi lah. Dah cukup ya guys. Serangannya siapa tuh? Levan. Oke. Heroic Seal. Si banyak kan RP lu. Ya udah banyak lu ya. Lumayan buat nama ini nih. Wait. Gila kali. Masih bisa sekali lagi guys. Air assault. Tembak dulu. Hei, biar cepet. Nah ini baru pakai Ragnarok bro. Burst. Susah banget gue istilahnya.
Try this on for size.
Nggak mati-mati cok. Oh dia doang ya. Lu belum butuh healing baton kan? Tembak bro. Air assault. Tembak lagi bos. Aduh beginian lagi ya. Mati nggak ya? Hidup bagus. Dan skill langsung. Air render. Let's go. Nggak mati ya. Mati juga. Cups bro. Ketahanan badannya nih kita. This can't be. Hex yourself already. No. No. Marah. Wah. Hilang semuanya nih. It's finally over. To my slumber, children. Let's go. Menang nih kita. Good ending kan? Di sini katanya ada good ending, bad ending, sama true ending guys. Goks bro, goks. Wait, berakhir dengan bahagia. Wih, orang-orang pada balik. Emang tadinya kemana? Kena hilang kabut tadi ya, yang hitam itu ya? What is this?
What?
Wih, di mana tuh? Bentar guys. Kata dia. Where are we? The first and ancient divinities. Tamat. Ini nggak copyright kan? Gitu doang anjir. Coba gue cepetin guys. Gila. Ini ceritanya ada pas klimaksnya udah mulai seru sih. Cuman pas awal-awal boring, dungeon terus. Cuman kalau udah mulai ngerti gitu sama mekanik gamenya jadi seru gitu loh. Gue kan seneng farming ya. Jadi gue seneng gitu ngumpul-ngumpulinnya. Emang bete sih tempatnya, dungeon mulu. Ini jatuhnya tuh kayak Crisis Core Final Fantasy 7 ya. Kita ngikutin cerita. Tapi ini jauh, ini apa namanya? Lebih bebas lagi lah. Kalau FF kan benar-benar cuman kayak lu ngikutin misi, cerita. Terus kalau lu mau farming set mission ya kan gitu-gitu. Kalau ini kan lu bebas mau farming kemana, ada map-mapnya. Cuman ya gitu aja, kurang bebas aja gitu. Fin anjay. Tamat artinya guys. Udah dong. Gak ngebak kan kayak PS1. Oke, balik lagi. Hello Sister Elda. My Raphael. It has been a while. How are Gardner and Lufina doing? They're doing. Oh, ini ceritanya udah ini ya, udah lama lah. Beberapa hari kemudian atau beberapa bulan atau beberapa tahun kemudian ya. Setelah kejadian itu lawan si Delgaya. Sometime after battle during the Hour of Judgment, the Power of Judgment, and the Black Precipice, which separated birds into the separate completely, and Lotros birds finally saw night, and dark birds, the world on the other side saw daylight, and the world returned to how it was long ago, when it was whole. Into this fresh new world of creation left to us by Norvia, I set out on a journey with Ralu to become a great cleric like my mother. Oh, dia mengembara lagi nih. Alright, you noobs, the fight between us and the human has ended for now, but we can't let our guard down. Outside the city, there are surviving monsters and violent animals of all types. It is our new duty to protect our comrades from them. If we don't train hard and become stronger, we're not the only ones who are gonna die. You have to remember, Captain Greg, siapa nih? Oh, Dia udah bersahabat ya. Sir Rockwell, what's the matter? Her Majesty is asking for you. She says to come to the audience chamber immediately. Iren tuh yang sama si Levan itu loh. You could have make sure not to be easy on them. Anjay, dia udah jadi ratu ya. Well, it's been a long time, Cecilia. Yes, we have not seen each other since that battle. Oh yeah, I mean yes, Mom. Wait, what is the matter? Why are you stuttering? Well, I mean your royalty, like you said. It's just weird to see you like this. I know, right? And I said so many weird things to you. Hey, it's fine, be normal. You acting serious around me will throw me off too. Haha. Hey, what do you want, Iren? Manggilnya juga Iren dia tuh, anjir, bukan ratu. Kick your ass. I think I'll start normal. Yes, please do. Please do. She is in the middle of a training journey to become a higher level cleric. Yeah, I should really do the training for a cleric. What? You're the holy stuff maiden. Why do you need to train more? Hahaha. Yeah, it's not like I did something special to become the maiden of the holy stuff. I see. You can spend the night tonight. Yes, we have much to talk about. I welcome you. Yes, thank you. The birds Ralu and I walk together was greater than I could ever have imagined. Full of new discoveries and surprise, kata dia. Ini di mana nih? Oh, di hutan ini nih, elf ya. So the elven forest. Yeah, I guess, but it wasn't the Gaeaga's fault in the first place. Nothing we can do about it, huh? Yeah, I suppose. Wah, diikutin kah dia? Wah, ini adanya si ini ya? Kakaknya si Ciel, lupa gue namanya. Sorry for making you wait, my dear nature. My dear, cowoknya nih pacaran nih berdua. When I know you will. Cipok di bawah pohon lagi. Pas bebek sambet, gancet lagi ntar. Dia masih marah-marah aja nih. I refuse to believe this great. That bastard, how dare he become a soldier of the empire? Where his pride as a liger tuh berarti apa? Siluman singa apa siluman macan gitu. Senbau. Cicil malah di sini kocak. What is it, Cil? I gotta warn you. I'm a really bad mood, kata dia. Fall is calling you, sir. He says the latest batch of Liger Weiser is truly amazing. Alright, I'll be right there. Oh, I see. Oh, nih jangan-jangan jadi ini nih temenan. Si kaum Liger sama ini. Kaum naga. We're like three of them all the same. Gue jadi penasaran nih bentuknya dia nih si botak ini naganya kayak apa, guys. Iya, naga umurnya panjang ya. Yoi, balik lagi. Big Sis Caci, I'm so glad to see you again. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna attend Zangburg University next year. Oh, di sini ada ini, ada tempat kuliah anjing, ada kampus. You passed the entrance exam. You didn't predict the answer, didn't you? Hey, I wouldn't do something like that. When I start going to the university, I'll come see you at the Great Temple every day. I'll be looking forward to that. By the way, where's Raphael? Did he go somewhere? He's gone on a journey. Ih, sama-sama pergi anjing. Probably better that way. He's only ex-noted to me if I did see him. It's okay, Big Sis Jessie. I'm sure you'll see him soon. What? Did you have a premonition or something? More like a feeling, Cecilia. Mulai dijodoh-jodohin nih dia. Definitely come. You know, nothing is relaxing around here. Hey Ceci, let's eat something at a food stand. I'm so hungry. Yeah, I'm a little hungry. Cecilia. Yoi, ketemu lagi, Cok. Jodoh nih kayak. Cipok. Raphael. Oh, good. I have to go back to Nepal without seeing you. Me? Yeah. I want to tell you what I was going to tell you on the Tower of Judgment. Ya, cipok. Nah, gantung gini bos, gak jelas. anjing, selalu begitu. Art and BGM have been added to extra menu. After saving clear data, you can able to select new game plus from the main menu and play a new game with the clear data. Your extra progress will now be saved as well. Save lah, bro. New data, cok. Clear it. Let's go. Udah ditamat. Nih game plus guys. Anjay, ngulang lagi, cok. Ya udah. Berarti kita udah selesai menamatkan Hexis Force guys. Terima kasih sudah menemani gua menamatkan game ini. Gua akhiri videonya sampai sini. Terima kasih ya yang sudah mampir juga nontonin video gua, nontonin video game gua yang lain, vlog gua lah, apalah itu, pokoknya video-video gua, live streaming gua, podcast gua lah. Terima kasih. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. See you dan assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.